Hi everyone, Chris Anderson from Mount Comfort RV. Let's take a look at what's new for 2023 for the Country Star. Well, one of the things that's new is the 4068 floor plan. This is a bath and a half floor plan featuring a full wall slide, but here it is in person. All right, so at the front facing the back, you can see we have 3 slides on this coach. We have a slide on this side that is the kitchen and the booth. Newmar's focusing on putting the booth on the door side more often. That's actually a better side to put the booth on. You always get a big window, of course, next to the booth, and that window is on your side of the coach. That's your awning side. That's where your friends and family are hanging out. That's where the picnic table is. You can option this in with a sofa over here, but this was optioned in with the 2 chairs, which I actually prefer. Notice not only do you have the table in the middle, you actually have a table on either side as well, which is sharp. Another new idea for this year is kind of this double pantry design. Look at this. On either side of the refrigerator, you have a pantry, and they go all the way down. They have nice feet there at the bottom, so they almost look freestanding. And then also new for this year, take a look at this. We have a desk built into the coach here. Now, if you don't like the desk idea, you can replace this with a beverage center where you get a wine rack up top here, and you would get a wine cooler down below and kind of make this little bar area. Pretty standard bedroom for Newmar. You have the 2 wardrobes with the television and the 5 drawers below, and then a king-size bed here. Step into the back, we'll see we have a washer-dryer, stackable washer-dryer closet here. Toilet with the egress door behind you. Corner shower over here. And another wardrobe here. Recessed sink here, nice backsplash. Storage below. Standing at the back looking forward, this is what you have. Vinyl plank flooring throughout. It's a beautiful coach. There is a pull-out underneath that piece of countertop right there. 3-burner gas cooktop, 30-inch convection microwave. Here's our half bath. All right, let's get a quick shot again. Looking at the back, well, we'll give you the cockpit here. And then here it is, standing at the front, looking to the back. Gorgeous coach. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe.